Hi, it's Tom here from Roywood Transits. This is a quick walk around video of one of our latest vehicles we have in stock. So in front of us and for sale today here we have a Ford Tourneo Custom Titanium Independence RS. So this is a WAV or wheelchair accessible vehicle, which means it comes with a bifold ramp once you've opened the tailgate. Comes with electric soft start winch, 4 Q restraints for a wheelchair to comfortably be safely secured in the second row, alongside a left hand and a right hand second row seat. 3 seats up in the cab. 130 PS, 6-speed manual gearbox, covered just 4,258 miles, lovely low mileage, excellent condition, inside and out. So registered at the end of February 2020, sitting on a 69 plate. Comes with full Ford manufacturer's warranty for 3 years or 100,000 miles, so warranty due until end of Feb next year. Metallic Moondust silver. You've got dual side loading doors, tinted second and third row glass, extended wheel arches, body colour side mouldings, body colour door handles, 17-inch alloy wheels. You've got parking sensors front and rear wiper on the tailgate. Ice Pack 21 inside, so connect your phone, Apple, Android CarPlay, really great feature. Automatic headlights, automatic wipers, heated windscreen, corner and fog lights, second row step. Roywood Transits can fit an optional stainless steel upgraded security driver's door lock for the cost of £150. And here you can see the chrome effect grille, as well as lots of other goodies inside as well. Entrance up the bifold ramp. Here you can see the various tie downs for the wheelchair. So you've got the rear Q restraints and the forward two just either side of the electric soft start winch. Those can be locked via this switch. And you then have the electric soft start winch operated via this controller for easy access in and outside of the van. And then up ahead you can see the seatbelt attachment points for a demonstration on how to safely secure a wheelchair in the inclusive second row and attach the seatbelt. Please see our other WAV YouTube videos. And then straight up ahead also you've got the dual passenger seat in the front, single driver seat, inclusive second row left hand and right hand seats, so you've got 5 seats in total plus 1 wheelchair, and very comfortable in the back as well. You've got manual air conditioning, you've got reading lights, and you've got second and third row sun blinds alongside the tinted windows. And right now into the cab, again in excellent condition as you'd expect for the mileage. You've got the carpeted floor even, leather trimmed steering wheel, so height and telescopic adjustable. There's your 8-inch touchscreen display. Various chrome trim which you get with the Titanium series. Dual passenger belted seat. Single driver seat with 10-way adjustment including lumbar support. You get electric windows, power folding door mirrors. Automatic headlights with daytime running. Voice activation for when your phone's connected through Bluetooth. Automatic wipers, cruise control with adjustable speed limiter, and then while we're here we'll just confirm the mileage. 6-speed manual gearbox connected to the 130 PS engine, so down here you've got 3 pedals. Then up here you have your manual air conditioning, you've got the 2 heated seats, the heated windscreen, quick clear and quick cool. And then up here you've got the Ford sync-free Ice Pack 21 entertainment system, so a great blend of physical and touchscreen buttons. Connect your phone through USB up here in this cubby hole, and you can then access Apple or Android CarPlay. This also displays your parking sensors like so. So in conclusion and for sale today here we've got a Ford Tourneo Custom Titanium. This is an Independence RS, so a wheelchair accessible vehicle, or WAV for short. 5 travel seats, inclusive second row position for 1 wheelchair. Covers just 4,258 miles, excellent condition inside and out. 130 PS, 6-speed manual gearbox. Just under a year left of Ford manufacturer's warranty. If you're interested or have any questions, please give us a call on 0118 9790 060. Thank you.